we are going to see classes on monomers of biomolecules. So we will see what is monomer, what are the types which are available in our life. We are going to see one by one coming slides. So this slide explains about the monomers of biomolecules. So what is monomer? Monomer is a single unit of nucleotides. So the slides explains the nucleic acid. So nucleic acid is a component of DNA. Collection of nucleic acids, nucleotides are called as nucleic acids. Monomers of nucleic acids are called as nucleotides. Here is given the basic structure of nucleotide, which contains 3 chemical units such as nitrogen base, phosphate and 5 carbon sugar. For example, the molecular structure ADP is given here. So when it comes to carbohydrate, the slides shows the carbohydrate structure. The maize is given for the example of carbohydrate rich plant material. The addition of many monosaccharides which yields carbohydrate. Monosaccharide is simplest form of carbohydrate. It consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. When it comes to this slide, explains about the monomers of lipid molecule. Here we are looking for the fatty acid structure, in which 2 types of fatty acids present, such as saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Here the unbranched carbon chains that gives most of the fatty acids. There are types of end where the carboxyl end is polar, which is water loving. It means that hydrophilic. Other one is non-polar of hydrogen end, hydrocarbon end, which is water fearing. It means that hydrophobic. The lipid contains fatty acids and glycerol molecules. Here is given in the image, that is fried meat for the example. In this slide, we are having the monomers for proteins. What is monomer for protein? It is an amino acid. Amino acids which are having an amino group, a carboxyl group and R group. R group means that side chain of proteins. Amino acids bonds through dehydration of synthesis to form a peptide bond. Protein which is formed through addition of more amino acids. For example, we all know about the pulses which are having the richest source of protein in the plants. When it comes to conclusion part of this presentation, we are discussed about these 4 different types of monomers. Nucleic acid is important in humans' life to have an unique features of our life. Carbohydrate is giving energy to carry out all kinds of day-to-day activities. Lipid, which is giving the stored energy when we meet starvation period in our life. Proteins, which provides building strength of our life. That's all about the presentation part. So we will see from the next class with some other topics. Thanks for watching everyone.